So Luke ZACCARIA with the waist kit on, our West Australian favourite, up on the top line versus Nathan Graves from Queensland. So does Luke ZACCARIA have the goods to come from behind? Graves having a good look over his shoulder. But Luke ZACCARIA, he has the race smarts. He knows the track. And he has the confidence as well. Luke ZACCARIA using all the tactics he knows. So Graves up around the high side. ZACCARIA makes his way down into the sprinters lane, but Graves has it wound up and he's making his way around the outside. ZACCARIA on the inside for WA. Graves coming from the outside. ZACCARIA just taking out that heat. Those boys absolutely flying. 11.29 for the last 200.